Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I'm a maths online tutor. I have been teaching for 18 years, and I have worldwide students. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find equation by looking at a graph and finding the slope and y-intercept. So this equation is really important. Y equal mx plus b, which is called slope-intercept form. M represents slope and b represent intercept, y-intercept. And this line cuts on y-axis at b. Okay, so here is the question. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation of each line. So first we have to find out b value. B value, it means y-intercept. It means this line cuts on y-axis at b. So here this is b value. So here we have to find out this distance from the origin, and this is upside, it means positive, correct? This is origin and goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. Okay. This point coordinate 0, 5, or b value equal 5. Okay. For finding slope, because now we know y-intercept, now we have to find out slope m value. For this we have to find out in this line another point, and make sure this is at just cross, not like this if here. Okay, so we don't want um, in decimal. Okay, so here we have to find out any value, because here all points are in the crossing. Okay, let's check this one point. Okay, so find out another point and make a triangle like this and this. We have to make a triangle. This is called slope triangle. Okay. Okay, one more thing here. M rise upon run. You know that this one, right? Okay. So if here goes down, it means minus. If goes up, it means positive. If go left, it means negative. If goes right, it means positive. Okay. So here from this point, you are going here down, going down, it means minus. So what is minus 5? You can count here blocks 5, and which is negative. Because you are going down from this point, that's why minus. Okay, don't confuse. And from here you are going right, it means positive. So you can count 1 block, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 blocks, and it is in positive. Okay, I hope you clear this. Okay, so rise negative 5, run 5, we can simplify, we get negative 1. Now we know y-intercept b value and m slope value minus 1. Okay, now we can write in the slope intercept form equation. Okay, so y equal mx plus b. What is m value? M value is negative 1, x plus b value 5. Okay, y equal negative 1 times x, negative x plus 5. Okay, so this is the equation of this line. Okay, In which form? Slope intercept form. Okay, so very easy questions. First you have to find out slope, then find out another point, and then make a triangle which is called slope triangle, and then find out slope in this. If you know these properties, you can easily find out slope. And when you found slope and y-intercept, you can just simply put in this equation y equal mx plus b and get answer. So very simple questions. Here is the another question. This is the line. We have to find out the equation of this line. What should we do first? So first we have to find out y-intercept, b value, this one. Okay, this is below the origin, it means negative numbers, so this is -1. So what is b value? B value is -1. Its points coordinate 0, -1. Okay, um, we can choose one more point here. This one, like, okay, here all. We can choose here nearest one. Okay, this point. Okay, so slope rise upon run. um, Now we make a triangle. Okay, this one and this one. So from here we are going up. Up means positive. And how many blocks count? Here one. Okay, so one rise. Go right one block, one box. So here one. So run positive side, right side, it means positive. So we get this. So what is the m value? 1. Okay, what is the equation? Y equal mx plus b. Okay. What is m value? 1. What is b value? -1. So y equal 1 times x, and plus multiply with minus and 1. This is the equation of this line. Okay. So these questions are really easy. Just do in 3 or 4 steps. First, find out y-intercept, okay, and then choose another point, and then make a triangle, and then find out slope. If you know slope and y-intercept, you can just put here, and then simplify the equation and then solve. Okay, so very easy questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.